Now here's something you could do if you wanted to be dead certain, if you didn't even trust yourself. You could turn the valve sideways like I did, or first the way it is, make sure your gas stove works, click it on, start it and all that kind of stuff. Then pull it out away from the wall like this, turn the valve. Okay, and it just and most gate valves just turn 90 degrees, or some go, yeah, most of them go 90 degrees, and it's straight across. Okay, then you could try turning the burners on again to make sure that that'll convince yourself that the gate valve is actually working and is in fact off and is in fact not going to leak when you think it's off, all that good stuff. If you want to test that, I didn't test that, I should have, but there you go. I've got that, as you can see, I've got it unplugged, I've got it disconnected. I'm just going to leave it like that. And see, that gas valve happens to be coming in from underneath the floor. And so I'm going to be careful taking those last pieces out. In fact, that one small piece right up against the wall, I may just leave there. And then when they put their new flooring, maybe I'll have them butt it into that if I can't get it out. You know, that'll be okay. It's way back in the back. Nobody's ever going to see it. It'll be fine. Okay, now I can slide this out further, can't I? I can slide it out here, back and forth, back and forth. It's on feet, so you just have to be kind of careful. There's no wheels on it. I wish they'd figure that out and put wheels on the backside. Like dishwashers, but they haven't really figured that out just yet. Okay, time to get busy. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.